Previous video abstraction, we have to discuss on the abstraction theory part and real-time example, real-time coding practices. Now we are discussing encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Those are coming to the OOPS concepts, four pillars in the Java language. Encapsulation, wrapping the data and corresponding methods into a single unit called encapsulation. Inheritance, acquiring the properties and behavior from parent to child classes. It's called inheritance. Polymorphism, that means many forms, that is same method name can show the different behavior. Polymorphism in the Java is the ability of a single action, method or interface to behave in a different ways to depend on the object using. It allows one method name to perform different tasks based on its implemented or called. Java supports two types of polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism are also called method overloading, static polymorphism. Interviewer can ask the different ways. Don't panic and don't think these are the same name for compile time polymorphism. What it is, method overloading occurs when multiple methods in the same class have the same method name but different parameters. Next one, runtime polymorphism are also called method overriding, dynamic polymorphism. In runtime polymorphism, child class overrides the method of the parent class to provide its own implementation. Interview may ask method overloading or static polymorphism, compile time polymorphism, and also runtime polymorphism also called method overriding, dynamic polymorphism. Don't confuse them. This is one. Next coming videos, we are I can provide the real time project coding. Let's see. Thank you.